When was the last time you were disciplined when it came to picking out groceries? Or when you opened up that fridge trying to decide what you should eat? Food can be a toxic relationship, but like anything, it can be fixed. Because when I realized I wanted to love myself more, that also came with fixing my eating habits. My body operates so much better when I eat right, with the proper foods and the nutrients. So here's to eating clean and high in protein to show up as the best me, and you can too. Please. Woo! Y'all, that walk is very much what I needed. Hey y'all, my name is Kirah. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kirah. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And today I'm coming to y'all with what I eat in a day, as you can tell by the title. And if you aren't new here, you already know I've been really focusing on my gut health, what I've been intaking, because it just makes me feel good. And it also shows through my skin, through my weight. Girl, if I slack on any type of intake or food my body does not like, she screams at me. No, I don't want her screaming at me. And I know a couple people were asking me, Kirah, what does a full day of eating look like for you? Because I know I've showed y'all my supplements. I just want to take y'all through a day of me eating to help with my gut health, high fiber, high protein, give you guys some ideas on what you can incorporate into your lifestyle when it comes to your eating habits. And the number one thing that I'm really big on, water. You have to stay hydrated, girl. And I need to log it into my Nourish app. And if you don't know what Nourish is, girl, I'm about to put you on. Nourish is a telehealth app that makes it so easy and simple for you to talk to a registered dietitian to help you with your health goals. The best part about it is that they take insurance, so you'll be paying to little to no cost. And thank you, Nourish, for sponsoring this video. Having a dietitian is so life-changing because you'll be able to grocery shop better, meal prep, and able to make healthy food choices to fit your lifestyle. My appointment with my dietitian went so well. She was just asking me, what does a typical day look like when it comes to intaking my fruits, my veggies, protein, and all that. And I told her my health goals, and I told her I really want to focus on my gut health and my overall health in general, because there's so many platforms and so many advice videos that you see on all these platforms curated to these people. So it makes it so easier for me to have a healthy and balanced diet through a dietitian that is personalized to me and my health goals. You feel what I'm saying? A dietitian came up with a plan for me that I just followed throughout the app, and I just track my progress throughout the day. You have something that is right on your phone that's always with you. And also you can message your dietitian on the app asking her for advice or any type of feedback. This helps me stay so consistent and disciplined because it's allowing me to have that help right there in the palm of my hand, rather than just trying to do it on my own. Because girl, a dietitian is more than what you think. Girl, I'm telling you, please click the link down below and on the screen so you can set up your first appointment with a Nourish dietitian today. Not tomorrow, today. You said yesterday that you was gonna start tomorrow, so start today. Don't play with yourself. Now we're gonna go home and whip up this food because I'm starving. Okay, let's go. One thing about me, I love a beverage, and I'm very consistent when it comes to my morning beverages. I love to drink carrot, turmeric, and ginger juice because this is equivalent to drinking your skincare. It has turmeric and ginger to help with inflammation. You have your carrot, which is rich in vitamin A. It's just a good overall drink that I love to start my mornings with. And we have to start that metabolism, so I love to drink lemon water right in the morning. And I also like to take L-glutamine, and I just add the powder to one of my beverages already and just mix it in. And L-glutamine helps with constipation, bloating, and honestly, a healthy gut equals a healthy body. It regulates everything, your mood, sleep, immune system, digestion. So a healthy gut is so important.
I'm gonna be everything that you want me. I'll be helping you, baby. Oh, yes, I will.
I like to keep my breakfast high in protein, that way I'm full for a good amount of time. Luckily, this bread has no net carbs and no sugar, which is great. And I love to have sauerkraut for breakfast. This is so good for your gut health, the immune function, digestion, and it just tastes like pickles. So it's just adding flavor to my breakfast plate. So you're getting those probiotic benefits, fiber, and also vitamin C and iron. And then we have to get our healthy fats in and our fiber with the avocado. One thing about me, I love tomato toast. Our grandparents definitely had one up on us. And I've replaced cream cheese for cottage cheese, and this tastes so good. Like, I'm always so excited to eat my tomato toast. And I like eating this breakfast every single day. It's simple, it's straight to the point, and it keeps me full for a good amount of hours. And I'm always busy, so this just gets the job done, because the most basic meals are still the most effective. And I always like to have my mint teas and then also a green juice to get my greens in. Girl, I'm not gonna lie, I work from home. So yes, I get cravings and I feel like snacking, but I love to quote unquote snack on whole foods and things that are going to, you know, be beneficial to what I want to intake, because me and my dietitian talked about me getting more veggies in. And one thing about me, I love eggs as my protein. I want to be an egg. Hard-boiled eggs with salt and pepper, girl, yes. I'm going to add it to everything. It just adds so much flavor. And what's crazy is growing up, I hated vegetables, but now I crave them, especially cucumber. And then you add some red onions in here, some mayo. You gotta add sriracha. Ever since I came back from Japan, I've just been obsessed with yum yum spicy mayo. It goes on everything. I'm obsessed, but you gotta make sure you get the avocado oil mayo. And I'm somebody that loves avocado, so yes, it goes in everything for those healthy fats. And I just add Celtic salt and some pepper, girl, and shake it up. Voila, you have a cucumber egg salad, so filling, will hold you over. And I love that this is very light, but it still keeps me full until I'm about to eat dinner. And also I like to enjoy it on its own, or I like to combine it with some seaweed chips.
I'm thinking about you. I want us to be together again. For as long as we can.
As usual, your timing couldn't be worse. You always want what you want when you want it. Why is everything so urgent?
Let me tell you something. This here, right now, at this very moment, is all that matters to me. I love you.
There's so many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. 'Cause love, so many people use your name in vain. Love, those who have faith in you sometimes go astray. Love, through all the ups and downs, the joy that hurts. Love, for better or worse, I still will choose you first. could die from the thought of losing you. I know that you're real, with no doubts and no fears and no questions. So many people. Those who have faith in you sometimes go astray.
It's for certain, summer's outside, so I went dancing. Look at what we lost, baby. Somewhere else, don't wanna be nowhere else. I got it all, right here. That's my obsession with you. Always feels brand new. There ain't nothing back to now. Maybe something back to now. Always feels brand new. There ain't nothing back to now.
Black bean is probably one of my favorite ways to get protein in. This black bean sweet potato bowl is so delicious. I have this in rotation for dinner multiple nights. It tastes so good, and I love to meal prep this as well. And I have this with Greek yogurt to add that extra protein. And I love that with Greek yogurt, you can manipulate it to any type of flavoring you want. So it's the easiest way to get that extra protein in.
This is a track man.
I guess it couldn't let this moment slip away. Cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You gotta look it right, get it if I like you and pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and change names and things before the night is over? All I really want is you to back it up, don't and put your weight on it. 'Cause it's alright, do what you wanna, make me believe it.
tea, and also this has dandelion root and liqueur root in here for my skin. But yeah, I always like to end the night off with some tea, and I like to start the morning off with tea. But yeah, that is it for this video. Remember y'all, simple meals are always so effective as well, and this is what works for me. I like to keep it simple, basic. It's during the week, so, and I'm always busy, and I hope these meal ideas has helped you when you're on your journey and trying to figure out what type of meals you want to make. Don't worry, girl, I know it can get repetitive, but stick to the plan, not the mood. So make sure you download Nurse so you can book an appointment with a dietitian. Start today. It's life-changing. And yeah, so I'm just gonna enjoy the night with my tea. I love y'all so freaking much, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Take